Sing Sang Tai Tai Leo. I am Jennifer Ribas, born on January 3, 1979, 47 years old from Cavite. I am single, I am high school graduate, and I like cleaning, cooking, and taking good care of kids. I work as a housemaid in Philippines for 4 years and 6 months from October 2018 to April 2023. I serve one couple and two children ages 5 and 1 year old. I worked as a domestic helper in Saudi for 2 years and 1 month from July 2023 to August 2025. I serve one couple and 7 years old child.
Hello, Miss Jennifer Ribas. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
All right. May we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties is taking care of the whole family, providing services that they need.
Okay. Can you tell to us about your daily activities from the morning that you wake up until the night you went to your bed?
My daily activities and duties are cleaning the house, gardening, washing clothes and dishes, and taking care of their child.
Okay. May we know your working time abroad?
I work for 15 hours a day, starting from 6 in the morning until 9 in the evening, and sometimes it depends on the situations.
Okay. So can you cook some Chinese food? Can you give us example dish and how to cook it?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Okay. What if the parents of your employer always finding mistakes to your work? What will you do?
Sir, I will focus to my work and do my best to improve it.
Okay. What is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their foods at time, check if their clothes is wet, and always keep them safe.
Okay. So how will you assist the child when crossing the street?
Hold their hand and look to the right and left before crossing.
Okay, so what is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diaper if it's wet, feed the baby on time, and give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, bath the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I can do my household chores.
Okay, so what if you found out that the baby has fever and your employer is not at home? What will you do?
First, I need to call and inform my employer or the parents and call a doctor for help and advice.
Alright, so what are the advantages of your future employer if they will hire you?
I have good experience and assure you that I will always do my job well.
Okay, do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemate because I badly need the job. It will help me to grow as a person and it will be a big help for my family. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and I will finish my contract.
Alright, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Jennifer Rivas, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Sir, thank you and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.